Yo, crypto fam. Buckle up because I've got some sizzling hot news that's going to make your wallet dance. The BLUM Airdrop is about to drop. And trust me, you do not want to miss this rocket to the moon. Alright, let's cut to the chase. BLUM's been teasing us for a while, but now they've finally spilled the beans. They've dropped a fresh roadmap, and guess what? We've got a launch date, people. But hold your horses, because before I reveal that golden nugget of info, I'm gonna break down everything you need to know to maximize this airdrop like a boss. First things first, if you're not on the BLUM train yet, what are you waiting for? They're running this insane Frenia campaign right now. We're talking potential rewards of over 2,000 USDT just for inviting your crypto-curious buddies. That's right. You could be stacking serious cash while playing their addictive bot game. Talk about a win-win. Now let's dive into this juicy new roadmap. BLUM's been busy, folks. They've already launched their bot, dished out invites, and got us all hooked on their point system. Remember that hack scare? Yeah, that was just BLUM flexing their marketing muscles. Clever, right? But here's where it gets really exciting. In 2024, BLUM's not just playing around. They've already launched tribes, and they're about to drop a meme pad that's gonna set the crypto world on fire. But wait, there's more. Swaps, wallets, and even perpetual trading contracts are all in the pipeline. BLUM's not just building a project, they're crafting an entire ecosystem. Now let me let you in on a little secret. If you want to farm BLUM points faster, and trust me you do, you need to join a tribe ASAP. But here's the kicker. BLUM just did a technical upgrade, and your wallet might have gotten disconnected. Don't panic. I'll walk you through reconnecting it step by step. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on any points because of a tech hiccup. Speaking of points, have you seen the leaderboard? People are racking up tens of thousands of points. These savvy players are gearing up for when those BLUM tokens drop. And let me tell you, it's going to be raining crypto. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, but what if I'm new to all this? Don't sweat it. They've got your back. BLUM's running a weekly competition where you can win up to $2,000 in USDT just by inviting friends. The rankings are posted in the BLUM crypto chat, so make sure you're in there mixing it up with the big players. Listen, folks, BLUM isn't just another flash in the pan. They're building something massive here, and you've got a chance to get in on the ground floor. This isn't just an airdrop. It's a ticket to the future of crypto gaming and finance. So here's what you need to do right now. 1. If you're not on BLUM, use my referral link and jump in. 2. Join a tribe to boost your point farming. 3. Reconnect your wallet if you haven't already. 4. Start inviting friends and climbing those leaderboards. 5. Keep your eyes peeled for the meme pad launch. 6. Join my Telegram. I'm doing a giveaway soon. And whatever you do, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and ring that bell. I'll be dropping more BLUM updates, Telegram bot game tips, and juicy airdrop signals that you won't find anywhere else. The crypto game is changing, and BLUM is leading the charge. Don't be the one watching from the sidelines while everyone else is popping champagne on their yachts. Get in now, and let's ride this BLUM wave to the top together. Remember, in the world of crypto, knowledge is power, and community is everything. So stay connected, stay informed, and let's make some serious gains together. This is your boy. And before signing off, here is a huge shout out to all of my Epic channel members. Muhammad Albada Moyi Kaura, Enochson001, Mamarinavitube, Okemdi Chiamamezi, Behind the Wheels, James, Peter Edet, Enger Chukwu Nonso Kioma, Osundeko Sezon, Yahaya Haruna Idris, Adi Queen, Jacob Malo, Akeni Okuosa, Sir Faithy, Michaela, Akinwal Johnson, Godin Walbe, Damian Dickman, Nick, Angel Phoenix, Ogechi Destiny, Ekwuemi Kingsley, Bapolaroid, Alexi Themia, Dotunayeni, Tochukwu Lawrence, Chika Egbo, Benedict Emeka, Ifedigbo Chukwabuka Nduka, Obianuju Purity, Lorena Canaracio, Mohammed Labaran, Jazzy B021, Raymond Sunday, Ahemadu Christopher, Dr. Parasites, Clevetson Wealth, Ruth Ekenem, Raida Musa, Easy Blaze, Nicholas Mahler, Sir Wills, Miss Baudine Raji, Kuris M. Thank you guys for supporting me. You are amazing. See you on the moon, BLUM fam. Peace out and happy farming.